Am I gonna be another victim of Goyard? Like my mom? Daughter takes after mother?
너의 중요하다는 words It's for you It's all for you
Does fit my iPhone 15 Pro Max in here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's unboxing is gonna be crazy as usual. I have been dying to buy this Goyard bag for such a long time, and everything that happened of me waiting at the line and whatnot, it actually came true, okay? Things were meant to be. I was actually meant to buy the Goyard tote, but the two colors that I wanted sold out completely. The reason why I didn't buy this bag originally was because it was kind of out of my price range, especially when I'm traveling to New York already, and hotels, we got food, we got activities, we got flights. It's already so expensive as is, but I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys. So let's get straight into it. This is probably gonna be the shortest unboxing ever just because Goyard did not really give me this wrapped up in an actual green box. They just like put it in this yellow bag and then put it in the green paper bag for me to carry around. But you do get an actual bag like this. It's not a backpack or anything like that. So yeah, what a nice dust bag. This review will be about the all-white Belvdere PM bag. What is this? This is literally crazy. So I got my dream bag from Goyard, and I kind of wanted this as my first bag because everyone always gets the tote. It's trending right now, it's popular. Even on a certain street in New York, they're selling dupes and people are like getting that versus buying an actual like Goyard bag. What's so nice though is that they're very, very exclusive, but at the same time, it's kind of hard to get a bag unless you're actually at the storefront or if you know an agent. I am getting the white one because my mom has the gray one, and I just like don't really have white bags in general, so this is definitely my first one. Let's open it up. The canvas is insane. It is all leather. You get that out, you open it up, and I've only used this bag maybe a few times, like literally under 5 times. So I like how there's a little tiny slit in here. If you need anything like receipts that you know, or parking tickets that you don't want to come out, this is probably like the most tightest slot right here. And then they have 2 other slots, and oh my gosh, sorry. I totally forgot I actually had my stuff in there. And I was looking for this lip gloss. What the heck? I thought I lost it. Anyways, so there's not too much to it other than the fact that there's like, you know, bigger pockets right here. I personally put my Canon G7X camera, my portable one, in here. Lip gloss, my gum, any card holders, cash. It does fit my iPhone 15 Pro Max in here, just like that. This bag actually has so much room. I'm so used to having like the cutest luxury mini bags just because I'm very petite. I like the way mini bags look on me, but this one, I kid you not, is the cutest size ever. This is the smallest size at Goyard. They do have like a bigger size. I think it's called the GM, but I personally think that this is already big enough for me. And then they have a little tiny slot as well here. So what do I put in here? Not gonna lie, I don't really know. Is it bad that I like put my phone in here too? Oh, I found a spoolie for my eyelashes. I guess that is the perfect example as to what to put in there when you do need it ASAP. You just put it in here like that. Honestly, it's like not as stressful to the point where things will like fall out, you know? But let me see what my phone would look like in here, just like that. Honestly, that's like probably what I would do. And what's so great is that the leather straps right here are completely adjustable. This is the tiniest slot though. Unfortunately, I wish they did have like another one or 2 just because it is a little longer than I would expect. But honestly, I should have asked if they would punch holes for me because yeah. Anyways, I think it's totally fine. But what's so cool is that not only am I gonna show you how to wear it, there's like a hack. This is what it looks like from the front view. Anything below this, I think would be but it is the perfect size, the perfect length for me. Does match my entire outfit, which is the cutest thing ever. I am drooling as we speak. And it's so lightweight. The straps don't hurt me. You can wear it kind of a crossbody like this. I love the crossbody look. And then also, if you wanted to, you could wear it like this. That way you kind of have it on you in a way, I don't know. It's very easy. I'm gonna show you a little hack right here. I'm gonna open it up. And what I do is that I just put in the strap itself in here and kind of wrap it around. And I make sure that this thing doesn't stick out, obviously. So I went around, I'm locking it, I'm pulling it so it can actually lock itself. And there you have it. You have an actual mini shoulder bag in a way. So I personally love this. This is my favorite way to wear it just because it looks so classy. And then I don't know, it's just like another look that you can just go out and wear other than just like a crossbody. I don't want to take credit for this, but I haven't seen a lot of people wear it like this. I've always only seen it wear as like the full length or the crossbody. And I just think that this is just the perfect look. So comfortable. I wouldn't pack it with super heavy things. I don't want the strap to stretch. There was another outfit that I wore in New York City and it was so cute. I wore like this flowy white dress with chocolate Dolce Vita boots. It looked like this. I'm gonna attach a photo right here so you guys have it for reference as to what I'm talking about. Not only can you wear it in such a like a cute, princessy, you know, like classy style like that, but you can also wear something that's very casual. My camera can't capture full screen right now. Okay, I don't really have much of a tripod, but do you guys see like how casual and city-like this is? Love it. Now I know y'all are probably wondering, how much is this bag? Why did you get this, etc. I've had this for only about a month. I haven't seen much reviews, much unboxings, much outfit pairings with this, so y'all thank me later. I have everything in here. I bought this in New York City. It was a little bit under $3,000, which isn't as bad. I don't know why, but I, for some reason, thought that it was gonna be listing price over $3,000, but obviously they give you some cards, some papers to validate that, yes, you did get it at a Goyard store. It is very authentic. My receipt is all bundled up in here. Okay, so I got it for $2,939. I just know that with luxury, if I really, really wanted something, like I probably have to buy it ASAP because luxury literally twice a year always bumped up in price. And if you don't have a store near you and you're traveling out of state and you found it, then buy it. Literally buy it. Every single time I buy a luxury bag, I just make sure that I am gonna be, one, wearing it. Number two, that it's different than like shape-wise, color-wise, you know? I'm obsessed with it. Honestly, if I had to choose another color though, I would definitely choose the green one. Me and my boyfriend were looking at that one and I was like, OMG, like, but I wanted the green one in the tote style. So I was like, I'm pick and choose my poison, you know? If you're thinking about buying this bag, this is literally your sign to do it. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, when most posting the entire week, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!
But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.